if we understand landscape as an holistic concept, and we understand landscape as the interaction of natural and cultural elements and and its perception by the people. I think the landscape planning or landscape as a concept is a key element in planning a territory. It's a key element for a spatial planning in order to get this low carbon society. So in order to promote the transition to a low carbon society, and at the same time increasing the welfare and the quality of life of the people. For instance, in a urban landscape, which is diverse, with no specialization, areas with a specialization in a city, it is a good model in order to reduce, for instance, the mobility of this city, and in this sense, in order to mitigate the effects of the climate change. And at the same time, it provokes the diversity, the social diversity, and the social cohesion. If we go, for instance, in a peri-urban area, we can see that, for instance, if we have a good landscape of transition in the transition between the city, the urban landscape, and the open space, for instance, with good public spaces, with a good path, a transition with elements of mobility for the pedestrians, etc. It is also a way that people will this will provoke a more comfortable situation for the people, and at the same time a good quality of this landscape, and will provoke to reduce, or will reduce the mobility of private mobility. We can have a similar reflection in the agricultural areas, in the promotion of and the preservation of agriculture with traditional systems. It is also a good and taking into account the character of the place, the character of the landscape, and the products of this place. It is also a good opportunity to promote the local product, and at the same time, this is a very good option in order to reduce or to this transition to a low carbon society. So in this sense, there are many elements, there are many examples that demonstrate the importance of a good landscape planning in order to tackle this low carbon model.